In 1912, Lieutenant Nobu Shirase became the first Japanese to explore Antarctica. In recognition, the icebreaker and Antarctic observation ship Shirase not only carries his name but also his legacy. Weather News does not intend to make the Shirase a mere historical exhibit, but rather to recommission her as a symbolic venue at which people from all over the world can come together and seriously consider the state of our planet, thereby becoming a base for delivering environment-related content to the public. Shirase has set sail on a new voyage as a symbol of the environment. Weather News will support the second voyage of Shirase. Let us now take a look at the plan for the second voyage of the Shirase. Shirase will monitor the Earth, sensing its physical state at every moment. Information will be exchanged with and communicated to people around the world. The Shirase website. Shirase will become a base from which challenges to climactic and environmental change will be transmitted globally via the Shirase website. The Shirase Studio. Content related to the environment will be communicated worldwide 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Plans are also in the works to transmit live broadcasts from the Japanese Antarctic Research Expedition. The Weather News Global Ice Center monitors global sea ice, particularly in the polar regions where sea ice has been declining. Information will be shared from the Global Ice Center, allowing us to learn about and even feel the impact of climatic change together with our supporters. The Terrestrial Center will monitor global seismic activity while at the same time tackling on research for earthquake prediction in the northern part of Tokyo Bay. Shirase will be able to feel the current state of the Earth by utilizing the WITH radar to detect thunderstorms, as well as employing the WNI satellite to monitor global sea ice and CO2 levels. Historical and real-time observations of the polar regions. Information on historical and real-time observations in Antarctica will also be made available. We will make Shirase a venue where a myriad of supporters can consider environmental issues. World's Climactic Service Conference. International conferences will also be held aboard the Shirase in order to determine viable countermeasures to the impact of climactic change. The Environmental Yohoshi Dojo for children. An Environmental Yohoshi Dojo will be established to provide opportunities for children to learn about environmental issues and how to address them. In addition to allowing members of the public to volunteer as special Shirase staff, we also hope to hold an eco flea market, Shirase tours, a Shirase yacht race, and Antarctic seminars at the Observation Cafe, led by guest speakers who had gone on Antarctic expeditions. Weather News will make the Shirase a venue where co-creation can exist. In particular, it will become a perfect place for those who want to consider environmental issues and formulate viable countermeasures to the impacts of climactic change. Together with our supporters, the Shirase is ready to embark on her new voyage in the coming decade.